Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook garlic fried rice. So I have about 2 cups of cooked rice, 100 grams of minced pork, 1 egg, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper, quarter teaspoon of sesame seed oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of crispy fried garlic, and 2 tablespoons of garlic oil, 1 stalk of spring onions. So I like to start off with marinating the pork. I'm gonna put the pork here. Put salt and some pepper and just a bit more salt. Alright, pork is marinated. Now I'm going to use the balance of the salt to put it in the egg. Pepper, just a bit of pepper. Now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan, and I'm going to put just a little bit of oil in the pan. The oil is getting hot. I'm going to put in the meat. We're going to cook the meat first. Drop in a little bit of sesame seed oil. Minced pork will take around 2 to 3 minutes to cook. But if it's not cooked yet, but it's getting dry, you can add in a little bit of oil at time. But for this one, I just keep frying, but I did not put any oil. Alright. Okay, once the meat is cooked, I'm going to switch off the heat first and take it out from the pan. Just put it aside. Switch on the heat again. Just gonna use a little bit of oil. This time we're gonna cook the egg. Egg is already have salt and pepper in here. Just I'm gonna put it in and just cook it like that. Egg is cooked pretty fast as well, so I'm just going to switch off the heat first. Take it out from the pan as well. Heat the pan again. Put in just about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. And I'm going to put in the rice. Lower the heat. Add in the oyster sauce. And the balance of the pepper, half of the garlic, so I'm going to raise the temperature again and mix all the ingredients together. Give it a stir until the oyster sauce, the garlic and the rice mix well. Now I'm going to add in the balance of the oil. Give it a stir again. Now we're going to add in the meat and the egg. Continue to mix it. Add in the spring onions. Just put it. That is ready, garlic fried rice. So I'm going to give it a taste. Delicious, very tasty and very nice fragrance of the garlic. So if you want to add any more seasoning at this stage, you can do so, but for this one it's really perfect and delicious. So I'm going to switch off the heat and dish out and serve. So we still have some more of the spring onions and the garlic. There you go. You have a very nice bowl of garlic fried rice. This kind of fried rice is best to serve with fresh cucumber and some tomato. Let's eat. Wow, very delicious. It's enough taste, enough flavor, and it's very nice aroma of the fried garlic. Lovely. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.